You won't believe the modern sheep factory. This is where cutting-edge cutting machines come into play, and each sheep is processed quickly and meticulously. In the slaughtering department, cutting-edge machines process each sheep quickly and effectively. These machines guarantee both speed and hygiene with precise cuts. While the cutting process takes place at an incredible speed, quality checks are carried out at every step. This huge factory has advanced transportation systems that allow cattle to be transported safely and quickly. This is the peak of modern technology. The automatic slaughter line has the capacity to process hundreds of cattle per minute. Robotic arms and cutting machines perform every movement with millimetric precision. In this way, the cutting process is completed quickly and efficiently. After slaughtering, the meat is meticulously cleaned with automatic washing and disinfection systems. Slaughtering and packaging processes carried out in a hygienic environment preserve the freshness and quality of the meat. We will see step by step how chicken meat is processed in this high-tech facility. The automatic slaughter line has the capacity to process hundreds of chickens per minute. Robotic arms and cutting machines perform every movement with millimetric precision. In this way, the cutting process is completed quickly and efficiently. Hygiene is the most important priority in this factory. After slaughter, chicken meat is meticulously cleaned with automatic washing and disinfection systems. Slaughtering and packaging processes carried out in a hygienic environment preserve the freshness and quality of the meat. Sharp technologies and efficient machines combine to process thousands of turkeys at incredible speed. When turkeys arrive at the factory, they are gently guided onto the production line. This is where the magic begins. At this stage, highly precise cutting machines come into play. Each machine processes each turkey with the same speed and accuracy. These machines remove turkey skins and feathers quickly and efficiently. The result is perfectly rendered turkeys. When the ducks are brought to the factory, the first step is to gently move them onto the production line. Everything starts with automation here. After stunning, the ducks move to the slaughter line. At this stage, highly precise cutting machines come into play. In this process, each step is carefully controlled and the automation system ensures that everything goes smoothly. After the slaughtering process is completed, the ducks are transported to the next stage by automatic conveyor belts. Specially designed machines are used to separate the feathers. These machines remove duck feathers quickly and effectively, leaving only perfectly processed ducks. This factory is equipped with fully automatic machines, working with perfect precision and speed at every step. These machines carry out the processing of rabbits almost without the need for human intervention. In the first step, rabbits are carefully selected and placed on the band system. This belt system transports the rabbits to the processing line, ensuring that each rabbit is processed equally. The slaughter unit, which is one of the first stops of the processing line, enables the rabbits to be skinned automatically. This machine removes the skin with minimal damage, ensuring the processed meat is of the highest quality. After the slaughtering process, the meat is separated and classified with special machines. The next stop, the meat is carefully packaged. First, quails are carefully selected and placed on a special band system. This belt system transports quail to the processing line at incredible speed. You won't believe how their skin is automatically peeled off when they come to the slaughtering unit. This machine is so precise and fast that it does not compromise the quality of the meat in the slightest. After the slaughtering process, the meat is carefully sorted and classified. This place is a marvel of engineering. Packaging machines come into play and fill the meat into hygienic packages. These machines make hundreds of packages ready in minutes. In the first step, the buffaloes are carefully selected and placed on a special band system. This belt system provides speed and efficiency when transporting buffaloes to the processing line. When we come to the slaughtering unit, you will witness that the skins of the buffaloes are peeled off automatically. This machine works with incredible precision, maintaining the quality of the meat. After the slaughtering process, the meat is carefully sorted and classified. The technology used here represents the most advanced level of engineering. Then packaging machines come into play. These machines fill meat into hygienic packages and make hundreds of packages ready in minutes. This factory is a magnificent technological marvel designed to process thousands of pigs every day. When they reach the slaughter line, fully automatic machines come into play. Working with incredible precision, these machines enable pigs to be slaughtered quickly and humanely. The cutting process is supported by modern laser technology, so everything is done with millimeter accuracy. Then, the pigs are skinned and their meat is separated. The machines used at this stage have the capacity to perform hundreds of transactions per minute. Meat is cut into different pieces and turned into various products. Thanks to the huge belt systems in the factory, meat is quickly processed and packaged. The process by which deer enter this factory is incredibly orderly and impressive. First, deers are carefully collected from their natural habitat and brought to the factory by special transport vehicles. During this process, every detail has been considered to minimize the stress levels of the deer. When they enter the factory, deer are first directed to resting and feeding areas. These areas are specially designed for the comfort of the deer and all their needs are met. The deer rest here for a while and are then directed towards the processing line. Now we are taking you to a modern factory where lobsters, one of the most delicious creatures of the sea, are processed. In this modern lobster factory, everything starts with the lobsters being taken out of the sea. In the first step, freshly caught lobsters are brought to the factory with special refrigerated vehicles. Here begins a process in which each step is meticulously planned. Lobsters entering the factory are first rested in large tanks. These tanks are designed to resemble the lobster's natural environments, so stress levels are kept to a minimum. The lobsters rest here for a short time and are then taken to the processing line.